Hey Sturt,
Hello.
I'm Medina.
I'm Sturt. How
Thanks
are
for
you?
having me to your
Nice to meet
place.
you.
This looks fantastic.
Thank you. In the beginning, there was nothing. That was weeds and grass, and that's it. With what I had before, and if I had it like that, it would be depressing.
Wow.
I've tried to incorporate native succulents. If you can imagine a creek in the bush and you just stumble upon a creek, literally kookaburras, and the brush turkeys always stop for a drink. Blue-tongued lizard here the other day. I've got possums, I've got birds that come in.
Everybody loves your garden. You're kind of playing with color, texture, heights, scents. There's a lot of sophistication happening in your
Yeah,
design.
because I think that's how you need to do any garden, is you need to work with what you've got. Patience as well, a lot of patience, because you've got to imagine what it's going to look like. I looked at the before shots and the after shots, and I don't know what got me to do it, but I just did, and I'm so happy that I did. It's just the best for you. You just block out and you just get into it, and you get a positive result at the end, and you're bringing life back. You know, you feel accomplished at the end of the day when you've done a day of gardening. I think it just gives you some passion again. It gives you enjoyment, it gives you peace.
And the winner is Stuart McEwen, Most Naturalistic Garden. Congratulations.
A lot of people are going through rough times. What I'm hoping to do with other people within this environment of Lincoln housing is inspire them, because you can make your house really beautiful. And I've started to do the whole block. I've put plants up there, I've put lily pillies down there. I've got a magnolia just there, and I've put another lit tea tree down there. Garden on, do it. It's fun, and it takes your mind off things. It's healthy, and you get proud of yourself at the end of the day. You look at it and you just say, you know, good job. It makes everything more happy. It's just colour, life, change, great.